Okay, open the Openfiler and web user interface. Type the user ID Openfiler, password is password. Okay, now the main screen will appear, which is the status of my system. So it is giving all system information right now, the primary memory and the secondary storage. So primary memory contains the kernel and buffers, and second memory has 3 partitions which I created in my boot hard disk, and this portion shows me all the storage devices attached to the system. I have CD ROM and I have hard disk in which operating system is installed, and then I have these 3 hard disks for storage. These are SCSI devices. So now I will create a RAID 5. Click on volume. So once it is loaded, I'll add the volume. So click on volume groups. Okay, these are 4 hard disks right now, and as I told you, hard disk 1 is my operating system, and these 3 are the SCSI drives, remaining 3. So I will select this one first to make it as a part of my RAID. So I need to create RAID configuration. So I'll edit this hard disk, and from down here you can see partition type is extended, so I will change it to RAID array member and then click on create. Okay, now this first hard disk has been created. I'll go back to the other hard disk. We'll select hard disk 2. Okay, we'll change again its partition type to RAID member and then create. In the same way, I'll go back and will add another third hard disk as a RAID member and click on create. Okay, now these 3 hard disks has been added. I'll click on software RAID now. Okay, now these 3 hard disks are available, and I have option RAID 1, 5, 0, 6 and 10. I'll use RAID 5 because this is I need. I'll select these 3 hard disks from here and will add it to array. Okay, now you can see the status of this. It is showing processing and 34% is done. It depends upon your hard disk size also, and I will see how many members are there in this. So I have 3 hard disks in which I have added in this array, so you can see the status of these also. Okay, now I will refresh this page so that I can see the progress of my storage of my RAID. Now you can see RAID partitions are used and my RAID is active now. RAID 5 is active. I will again click on add volume, because now using this RAID I need to create a volume. So I'll give its name my RAID 5 and add volume group. Now you can see this RAID 5 volume has been created, but again this is not available for use because it is not having any system file, means there is no file system right now. So I'll again create a volume by clicking add volume. So now volume within this I will create. I'll create 2 partitions of this hard disk, this RAID 5. Right now it is 4 GB, so I'll make 2 GB for share and 2 GB for SCSI, iSCSI. This is my RAID volume, RAID 5 volume. Okay, total size is 4 GB. I'll make approximate half of it, and ext3. Okay, let it be ZFS XFS and create. Okay, now 52% is made and 48% is remaining. Okay, now I can refresh this and click on add volume, and this unused space I will use for iSCSI, my iSCSI volume and iSCSI volume target. Okay, then make it iSCSI and create. Okay, now my all hard disk is used now. 52% was used earlier and 48% was remaining. Now I'll see the progress. Now 52% is my data, my RAID, and 48% is for iSCSI target. Okay, if you see the status of this now, system information will show my RAID also. Mounted area, you can see in mounted new volume has been added of 2 GB. So you can create your RAID by using this tutorial. I'll add some more videos. Please keep watching my channel. Thank you so much.